Eto guys, busy ako mag-prepare ng ah, dining table namin at food kasi meron kaming bisita na darating.
Asan yung anak mo na?
Hello! Hi, Princess! Hi, Arvin! Nakakatuwa naman. Dati na. Yan ka na. Ngayon na namin.
This is what I prepared a while ago for our snacks. Nakalimutan kong i-video tong ham and cheese roll and bread pudding kanina. And then now, piprepare naman ako ng whole chicken, fried chicken for our dinner, tsaka spaghetti. This is my spaghetti sauce and this is my chicken. Paalis kami ni Jay, sunduin namin yung friend namin. Tapos, punta kami ng city center and then mag-early dinner kami.
Either, yung parang mess hall, yung parang dining. Patayin ko yung ilaw at iset ko yung alarm. Sige.